Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now very quickly, easily, how do you neaten up the side of a blanket when you don't want to put a border on? So on my little blanket, the base is nice and straight. I've got my little pattern on the top, but I want to neaten up the sides. This will work with almost all blankets. Anything that you've crocheted around the edges of cardigans, sweaters, if you just need to neaten up the edge, this is the quickest, simplest, easiest way to do it. Now look at the edge of my blanket. Now I want to neaten that up a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my first stitch. If you have big spaces, then just go through a few of the threads. You might have to do 2 slip stitches along to neaten it. You can work that out depending on your blanket. Now what you're going to do is you're just going to go in through your stitches. I'm going to pick up 2 loops, pull my yarn through, and then slip it through that loop. Don't do it too tight. Now through the next 2, I'll just pick up 2 threads, pull through and slip stitch. I'm going to do that all the way down the edge, just to neaten up the edge of my blanket. A lot of people will say to me, you haven't put a border on your blanket, how can I neaten it up? And this is the quickest way to neaten up the edge of your blanket. All down the side, 1 slip stitch, and look how much that's neatened that edge up down there, from that to that. Really easy and really quick. And look at the difference. That's the side there, and that's the edge once it's been neatened up. It's so much neater and really simple to do. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. It only takes a minute or 2 to click the subscribe button and follow the instructions very easily to subscribe to the channel, and then you can subscribe to anyone's YouTube channel, and it's completely free to subscribe to people's YouTube channels. And if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when I put up another tutorial. So the video for this blanket is already on my channel. I'll put a link underneath the video. This is called a K-pop blanket. When it's stretched out, it's like it's got a little K shape in it. And it's really easy. It's only a 1 row repeat. I'll put the link underneath the video for this. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.